Hollow, sorry, not hollow, but hello. Make sure that the corners of your mouth are pointing outwards and that your E is a short vowel E. Hello, hello, hello. Event, no, event. If you can say very good, then you can also say event, event. Very good, very good. A very good event. Without fear. No, without fear. You see, without means you are not sure about things. Without. So in one sound is the correct version. Put your tongue outside when you say it. Without. TGIF! Thank God it's 5-day. No, not 5-day, but Friday. Look at my mouth. Friday. I'm the first, she's the second, and he's the third. No, not the third, but the third. Put your tongue outside and make an F sound. Read my lips. Third. Did you learn something this time? Please go ahead and share this video. See you when I see you.